Hello everyone, it's Michelle with Emerson Carpet One Floor and Home. Flooring installation can be a big hassle for the home DIY warrior in your family. Emerson Carpet One will let you rest easy with our years of experience and professional installation crews. Did you know that Emerson Carpet One Floor and Home has introduced Neutralize, our exclusive floor installation system? We believe that your home should be the safest place in the world. That's why we created the Neutralize system, available as part of any new floor installation. Neutralize eliminates mold, mildew, germs, and 99.9% of viruses. And yes, that includes COVID-19. It disinfects. We apply an EPA-registered disinfectant to sterilize your floor surface. It shields. We place a layer of antimicrobial protectant between your subfloor and the floor, with nanospikes that keep germs out. It protects. We build extra protection into your new floor installation, so you can say goodbye to germs and hello to a beautiful home. Emerson Carpet One has the experience to professionally install any type of flooring in your home. So give us a call at the number on your screen, check us out online, or just walk in. We're ready to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future sales and specials. This is Michelle signing off. Thanks for watching.